We are excited to present Texture Tour London. It's the kickoff of our 2023 global season for educating. Today we celebrate texture. We have three amazing artists. Aaron Scott Lacey, a very talented hair cutter out of San Diego, California. Alicia Oliveira, an amazing texture stylist, especially on very tight curly hair. And then Lonnie Jean Lafayette, an amazing salon stylist as well as curly hair artist. What's unique about Innersense is that, our products really work well with texture without utilizing cosmetic-based ingredients that allow really the curl and the texture of the hair to be at its finest. What we want to show today is bringing it all together, the perfect style, the perfect finish, the perfect care to achieve that.
It gives us the opportunity to shine a light on representing variety of pattern and showcase it in a very inclusive environment for professionals to help them learn and to help expose them to something that might be a little bit different.
I've been using Innersense almost my entire career. It's all organic and it works on all textures. When you have two stylists who come together and start a brand on helping the stylist be healthier and thinking about the stylist's hands and health first, you can't lose when you get a brand like that.
Tight curls grow up and out, and so how we look at that hair is a little bit different. The perspective is different, but the technique is the same. Innersense is a clean line, and I love that my clients are not having reactions to it. They really get our input when new products are developed and want to know that it's working for both us as the professional and for the consumer.
I thought it was a very diverse day, so you got quite a lot out of it. Cutting wet hair and dry hair and the effect that has on the curls.
Give me loads of tips and tricks for long curly hair. I can't wait to go back to the salon and use them all.
Meeting the cutty girl, because I have loads of Afro in Manchester, so for me right now she's number one.
It was really good to get to see really intricate cutting.
Different techniques and I meet nice people.
I trained with Innersense products only, so it was good to sort of see other people using them and hearing questions.
Being amongst other people that are as passionate as I am about cutting curly hair.